What up? What up? David Daz. All right, so I have a 2020 Can-Am Ryker. I've never done one before, so this guy wanted to get it done. And before I left, I'm in Tampa right now, but I'll be heading back to Houston. So all you guys in Houston that's like asking me when I'm gonna be back, I'll be back this week. So I've been gone for freaking 3 months, man. I never expected to be gone that long. It's like I got here and everybody just jumped on me. Hey, Daz, 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 I got this, I got this, I got that. It's cool, it's cool. But I got me a job lined up at Walmart. I'm gonna be register number 3, they said, or some shit like that. But check it out. Let's take a look at this. Here we go. Turn the lights off. Turn the lights off. So I stayed up all night to finish it because I got to get it back to him so I can get myself together and get back. So here we go. We got the body. That's the body right there. Got up in the grill. Got the eyes, headlights. Even got the ducts, intakes, we're gonna call them. Go around here. Got the grips right there. I couldn't put the rings on here. There was no room for that. Tire hug, even up here. You can put the voltmeter. So, I had a hard time with the wheels. Not really hard. There's really nothing I can't do. So I'm just waiting. I'm waiting for somebody to say, "Hey, I got Daz. I can do this." Let's see. Let's see. Cause man, outside the box thinking all day. So here's channel 2. Right there. There's your wheels. Not the rings behind there. I don't do the rings behind there. I don't care for that. I like to be different. So check it out. This is the chop right there. I even got heartbeat. I got the peg inside of here. See that right there? And I even got light up under here too. So right there. Accent right there. And then right here, that's breathing. So if I go channel 1, that's breathing right there. And then we correspond that with the fuel cap. And you notice there's no wire. See, there's no wire showing, but it still slides freely. Right. Go to the back wheel. Back wheel turns too. Couldn't really put nothing on here because it's a lot of heat, exhaust and everything. And this, I want to put some in here, but it was an issue. I couldn't take this off. It was just way more work. You know, I mean, I already go above and beyond. Look at that back view though. That shit looks dope. So then I got the little core thing. It changes colors or whatever you want to do. I got changing colors. So here's the other wheel right here. See? Shit turns. But then you go to the front. Look at that body. Look at that shit. That is so dope. My first one. First one I did. Here in Tampa. I'm telling you, these wheels ain't no joke, boy. Back and the front is no joke. Like I said, I'm waiting. You can easily slap some rings on, but you can't do that shit that I just did. I mean, you could do it, but it's just a matter of what you want to do. But here we go. I love it. So that's channel 1. He can ride like that. 2020 Can-Am. David Daz, hit me up. Look at that. Deuces.